So what is something that is quick and easy and healthy that you can eat as a breakfast, a lunch, dinner, a snack, a midnight snack? A chaffle! Now, when I first heard about a chaffle, I was like, what in the world is that? And I saw a video on it, and then I was like, oh, delicious. That's what that is. So that's what I'm making for you today. I'm taking 1 egg, and then I'm just adding a 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. Putting that in there. And I've already chopped up a little bit of my leftover bacon. And then I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. I have the Everything Bagel seasoning. And then this one is some caramelized onion butter. This one is really good in just about everything. Right. And then you can use any seasonings that you want to use. So then I'm just going to mix it all together. All right, and then it's ready for the waffle iron. All right, the waffle iron is ready to go. So all I'm going to do is add the mixture to it and let it cook. In a few minutes, it'll be ready. All right, it's done sizzling away. Look at that. It looks so good. I can't wait. I've let it cool off a little bit. Try to dig in. One little bite. I might have to tear it. That's usually what I do. I figured I'd be nice for camera and use a fork. Okay. That is really good. Like, I normally don't add the bacon, but that helped a lot. That made it really, really good. But I wanted to try, because it has the bacon, add a little bit of syrup. Figure that sweet and salty would be really good. Even better with the syrup. You really should try it. But I have to take the rest of this to my 4-year-old because he's already been asking for it. So before I could even clean up my mess, my son walks out and asks for another one. So I told y'all you should try it.